Now, it should be easier. Keyword should be this one. Now, hopefully you guys, you all are not like mine. You'll never have an outlet like mine. Alright, so the problem is getting this bad boy in there. So this wire, make sure, stand that one up more. I think I got it now. Yeah. Alright. So that only took about an hour to do. So to test the connection. Alright, so now they all in there. So now we get some more tape. Now I'm going to wrap all these together. Wrap to the top. So then make sure these don't come out. Now the last connection we have to make is these two, which I need another wire nut. So again, I gotta pause it and I'll be right back to get another nut. So technically you're gonna need 5. Okay, so I got another one of these. So I'm gonna make the connection. Alright, this one should be easier. Hold these two together. Take the cap, twist it on there. I'm gonna make a longer piece of tape. So technically, everybody, I'm glad I did this video because not everybody house is the same. And if you have an older home, apartment, whatever, they're more likely you'll run into this problem that you just see right here. You know, this was not color coordinated because technically this is supposed to be color coordinated, green with green, white with white, black with black. So now that I have all this in here, well wired up, I'm just gonna smash it back in here neatly, and I'm gonna push them off to the side like so. Out of the way of the middle. Alright, so now before I do that, I just noticed that the box right there looks like, there we go. Okay, it has some drywall in there. So push this all in the back, smash it in there, and once again, guys, make sure that you can see the MAC, the wording. So we want to level this, and all we have to do is line up the screws, the newer ones, which are right here, which is going to be a little annoying. Put it through the hole right here. Gotta line that one up. So I'm going to start the top one slightly, then I'm going to work on the bottom. So I have that one, and I'm just going to give it a couple of turns. Make sure that the wiring, the wire just poked back up. All right, hold on one second. There we go. Wire, get back there. There we go. Come on, wire. The wire is not cooperating with me. Just stay back there. Just want to keep. right, a couple of turns. Now get the bottom one somewhat lined up. All right. This is the hard part. All right, so now that I have them in there, make sure that it's even, and I just screw them in like so. All right, make sure it's level. There we go. Now this is a piece of plastic. It's a protective film, so we could just remove that. Make sure that it's tight. All right, remove that. Take this off. Now the plate, this is a snap-on, so just snap on it. I might have to unscrew this just a little bit so it'd be flush on the wall. Well, I don't. All right, so now all we got to do now is cut the power on and test it and connect it to the phone. Okay, everybody, so I just cut the power back on, and this is what you're going to walk into when you look at the switch. I have the light already on, so when you cut the power off, it's going to be a circle highlighting. I guess in the dark you can see that. So you push it back on, it cuts off. So now you see, as you could tell, those are Wi-Fi signals. So when it flashes orange and green, that means lets you know it's not connected. So let's go to connect it on my phone. All right. So I'm going to go into the app that I have already hooked up. It's the Casa or Casa. So I'm opening it up. All right, so I already have some of them, as you can see, on. So I'm going to add another device. And the smart switch, we're going to select that. Have you already wired up your smart switch? Yes, I have. If you have not, let's go to have not. It's going to show you to start. It will tell you to go to an electrician and then check the Wi-Fi signal, the tools you're going to need. It's going to go through the whole steps on how to hook it up. All right. So I'm just going to fast forward through all that. Connect later. Well, click OK. All right, so I'm going to add device. I should have just stayed in there, but hit the switch. Yes, I have. And it's a light blinking amber and green. I'm going to click next. I'm going to wait. And so, and usually when you connect products or you connect anything to your Wi-Fi, it's going to cut your Wi-Fi off. All right, so the name of my device, I'm going to say bedroom for right now. Bedroom. Click next. It's going to be saving. I just do a regular icon. Use different network. I'm going to look for my network, which I don't see. I see my other one. You got to connect these to 2.4. So I'm going to rescan it. All right. So, all right, here it go. Got my password. It's already saved from my other devices. Glad I ain't got to share that with you guys. So it's connecting. Almost. So it's adding the smart switch to the network, as you can see. All right, so it's done. So I got the bedroom. So Now I could be outside of the house, I could be at work or anything like that, and I can just do this. As you can see, the light cut on, and as you could probably hear it click. All right, so let's go look at the light. I'll do it again. As you can see, now let me go to my Google Home and reconnect the device, make sure it's in there. One device, I'm going to set that up. Click next. So hopefully it's going to connect it without me having to go through the whole step of unlinking the account and everything. Alright, so it's connected. Alright, so let's leave setup. Hold on, let me just see something real quick. Home control. I'm gonna go through my casa, make sure it's all in here. Smart life, and I do not see it. So this is what I'm going to do. Oh, great. Check for new devices. Just going through this. All right, you guys, I'm gonna look away for a minute. Alright, I'm entering my information in, guys. Bear with me. Alright, so here we go. I'm linking up the account. Alright, so it's in there. So as you can see, it's in there right there. So now I could just, let me try it. Hey Google, cut on bedroom light.
It looks like those lights haven't been set up yet. Just open the Google Home app and go to Home Control to add lights.
Okay. No assigned room. Okay. Nickname. Bedroom light. Click OK. Room assigned. I'm going to assign it to the bedroom. All right. Hey Google, cut on bedroom light.
You got it. Turn the bedroom light on.
Hey Google, cut off bedroom light. I just stuttered.
Sure, turning the bedroom light off.
All right, so there you go, guys. Get you one HP link HS200. This was the full video with all the mishaps, all the stuttering, no editing. Gave it to you live. I'm gonna do this a little bit more so you guys could laugh along with me and see my growing pains as I install stuff. All right, guys, hope you like this video. Have any questions, just let me know, and I'll answer them as soon as possible. All right, take care, guys.